have to secure the behind.
I'll secure the tail.
Secure the tail. Secure the tail.
You go from front, I'll go from back. Let's see if we can do it no contact. Don't move.
Alleri.
Don't move. Nanu, you don't move. I don't want them to detect your footprints. Gonna go in the gap. Okay, nice.
Oh.
Who's a wise ass?
Leave it.
No, we don't have a hood.
Huh?
We don't have a hood.
Huh?
It's not a hood also.
Yeah, it doesn't look like he's a hood. No. He's not. He's not good. He's one of those guys.
Please.
He's one of those guys.
Ah, no, it's something came. It's a beautiful one. Maybe we'll bag it and then try later. Just put your...
One second. Let me take a pick at least, no? I haven't taken any pick. Yeah.
This size are you comfortable with?
I should try, no? I should, right?
Gently. Keep one part of the body always on the ground. Lower. Yeah, bring him closer. Tell me if it's getting too sketchy.
Yes. Should I grab him again?
Try. Watch the head when you're making a grab. He seems to want to go up, so if he doesn't go in again, I'll move the pipe the other way. Get the hook in properly. Now just move that hook part. Okay. Hook is not in properly. Drop the tail. He needs the tail.
It's somewhere there.
Yeah, head's fully in. Here, like this. Yeah.
That's all, no?
Now this part the sticks need to go down.